Why is it spicy?
Oh, it's a 9.2.
What? 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 Do you want head rubs? Not this. This. Not this.
I am sorry, I don't speak English very good. But I am speaking English 50-50.
Is this a joke? Is this a joke? Bro, this is a whole ham. Back off. Not for you.
Is there no way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.
Victor! Vic!
Come on. Don't know how you're gonna do that. Oh, you f***ing did it. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's a horrible idea.
Hey, baby.
I just think we should be friends if you're going to be living in my house.
I would never live in this dump.
So every time we hit our water ball, our cat comes charging at it and attacks it. So we did it on purpose this time to see what he would do. Does anyone else's cat do this?
My mom washed the floors, and this is what happened to my cat.
Are you hungry? Oh, really? What? And what else?
Ah, yes, the basic essentials of the workday. Jitter juice, snack, but most importantly, friend.
She's not gifted.
Sometimes I like to lay on the floor and stretch out and show everyone my belly because who doesn't love a big chub like me? I'm chunky and I know it.
Can I have it?
Have what? Oh,
No?
This is my toy. I work too hard for this.
Can I have it?
No, you better go find your own.
Let me have it.
Hell to the no, you can't have this one.
You don't like it? Okay, sorry. We won't make it. No, don't throw hands at me. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright.
Oh, this one's taken. This one's taken.
Let me in. I forgot the key.
Hey! The fat! Yeah, get it, Bruce. Get it. Don't let it touch me. See what I mean, bro? He's my dog, bro. He's just my dog. You know what I'm saying?
I would like to see the baby.
Stop touching her, dude. She's gonna smack you. She's gonna keep smacking you.
That's my... Boy, get the hell off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get... Come here.
My daddy's got a BMW. Well, my daddy drives a Mercedes.
My father drives an Aston Martin. My papa drives a Rolls Royce.
My dad drives a Ram 1500.
Fish.
Guys, I'm hearing something in my shower. I think I heard somebody break in.
No! Oh, you're getting it on the bed.
This is my cat Lily. She's the good cat. She's smart. She's pretty. She's brave. She's a good cat. This is Dexter. Dexter is black. He also lives with us.
Get out of there. What the f? Cool. Update.
I can't stop laughing at this video my boyfriend sent me while I was at work today.
Stop this madness. What do you want from me? What do you want? Please!
Can someone explain to me why my cat sleeps like this? Huh?
Bark at your dog to see their reaction.
So my cat just scratched my face wide open and is now dead asleep on my lap. You can do anything you want when you cute as shit. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Go back to sleep. I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pet that dog?
How has she got in the chair?
Oh. Ready for bed? You ready for bed?
I don't know. Are you lost, baby girl?
Hi, Scout. How are you doing on this wonderful evening? Hi, Scout. How are you doing on this wonderful evening? Hi, Scout. How are you doing on this wonderful...
Sir, please. The people must know. Is your father truly a spider? Ah!
Come here, boy. Come on. You always listen to me.
such a good guy. Paw? Other paw? Good boy, Al!
Make your dog think they hurt you to see their reaction.
Ow! Ow!
Hold still. When they tell me how well behaved my husky is. He's a good boy. He's so handsome too. Yeah, that'll get me.
She demands to be fed like 18 times a day. Sorry, princess. The kitchen is closed.
Barbie! I would love to come to your garden party. Thank you for the invite. What a beautiful hat. Oh my gosh.